We're getting going on Noggin.
I don't think so. Definitely not right. This is just what I was looking for. Are you all ready? Ready! Then let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, and Barney, the big show is about to begin.
I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The big bad bear by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. You should have seen the monk. He sat on the elephant's trunk. The elephant sneezed and fell on his knees. And what became of the monk? The monk, the monk, the monk, the monk. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The big baboon by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. You should have seen the monk. He sat on the elephant's trunk. The elephant sneezed and fell on his knees. And what became of the monk? The monk, the monk, the monk, the monk.
Whoa! Hi, everybody! Hi, Stephen, and Kim, and Danny, and Emily. Oh, and hello to you, Mr. Monkey. And Kristen, you're all dressed up. Are you playing some kind of game?
We're playing circus, and I'm the ringmaster.
Whoa!
Just like the man in this poster. See?
The circus is coming Saturday! Oh boy, oh boy! The circus is so much fun, with its amazing animals, astounding acts, jolly jugglers, and clever clowns.
I don't feel that fun.